our Science Month this month. We are all out throughout the country. We're having engagements with our communities, with our society, where we emphasize the importance of science in our lives as we live. How do we engage with science? And also engaging with the young ones, those who are at schools, for them to be guided as they make choices, their subject choices, and also expose them to quite a number of careers that are there. We're talking to the issue of future careers, the new skills for the future, and we are here to expose them. We are here with quite a number of agencies. We've got about 50 exhibitors here who are here to open up and bring opportunities to the young ones that are here. But on top of that, we said, let us not only focus to those who are still at school, but we've got quite a number of young people that are out of school, that are not doing anything for now. If I say anything, they might not be enrolled in any higher institution of learning, but those are the people that can think, that can do something. Even with them, we're exposing them to a lot of skills, a lot of opportunities where they can be assisted to say what is it that they can do with their lives and make sure that they earn a living out of it.
My name is Kumrete Tando, well known as Mama Iris on the socials, because I've created Iris robot. So she speaks more than 7,000 languages. She's the first AI tutor robot, not just in South Africa, but in Africa. We supply all countries, European, Asian, African countries. So basically, what I can tell is that as we are here today, is that it doesn't matter where you are, where you come from, as long as you believe in yourself, it's possible. It doesn't matter, your background doesn't tell your future. It's possible. Now I'm international, I've got companies international, I'm in and out of the country. I'm not bragging, but I'm just motivating our fellow brothers and sisters out there who thinks it's impossible, that it doesn't matter whom you shared your idea with and they didn't listen to you. It doesn't matter. Share it until someone listens to you and believes in your idea, and invest in your idea. But more than them investing in your idea, invest in your own idea until someone comes in with a bigger portion.
Today we came here to this Career Expo. This was my first Career Expo, so this is my first experience, and I'm very, very grateful and appreciate the opportunity given to me to come and be one of the students chosen in my school, one of those 60 students that were chosen. I really appreciate this opportunity because I learned a lot and also got a chance to take pictures with Iris, and also took pictures with Iris. This Career Expo meant a lot to me, and I really appreciate the chance, and thank you to the DM, Deputy Minister of Science and Technology and Innovations. Thank you for her to come here, and we learned a lot to her. She also told us that confidence alone can take us a long way, because there were questions that she asked two students, and then those two students just put up their hands before the question was asked, and by that they got awards despite of their answers, but they did get awards. They were confident enough to come in front of these people full in this hall. So today I'm going to take it back, Huti. I must be confident, and in what I say and what I do, I must stand firm to it. Huti, I am going to do this, and I am going to make it big in science. Thank you.
National Science Month. Science for everyone.